Hi, this is David from David's Hair Design, and this is Danny, my client, and today we are going to do a back-combed ombre, and we are going to do 3 different colours. Danny's about a base 5, and we're going to lift some parts of her hair up to about a level 9, which is a light blonde, and then we are going to tone each section a different colour, so we've got a really nice mixture of colours, and then we're going to cut the hairstyle according to the colours and how they fall, so we'll have a nice choppy flicky look on our end result. To get the lightness, I'm going to be using the Leighton House Alpine Blonding Cream with a 4.5% developer, just to get it up to about, like I said, a 9, so that we can then tone it down with the various different colours that we're using. I've divided Danny's hair off into 4 equal sections, and I'm going to start at the back and the nape of the neck, and I'm going to backcomb quite heavily because I want quite fine meshes of hair left afterwards, so that we don't have thick chunky pieces of colour. We just want sort of a gradual fade. So you put your tin foil on, adding my lightener. Just make sure you get that lightener right through to the underneath, so give it a good press in so it gets through to the underneath as well. Fold your foil in half and your first section's done. Then I'm going to go to the right hand side and do exactly the same. Taking another piece and backcombing the hair quite heavily. And doing another piece. And then just make sure you get that lightener right through all the ends of the hair, otherwise you end up with the natural colour showing underneath, which is what we don't want. And then just fold it in half and press it so that all that bleach squeezes through to the ends, and then you just take your next section. And we're not going to do overly amounts, so I'm going to take a section, and what I'm actually going to do is divide this section in half. So we've got some natural, and above that we will have the blonde. So we backcomb again. And the same again, we've done our backcombing. Put our lightener on the ends. And so on until we've done the whole head. I'll now do my last section, busy backcombing that. It's taken about 30 minutes to get the whole head done. So I'm just going to put my bit of lightener on this bit and fold the paper up, and there we go. What I'm going to do is leave this for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and check later and put our colours through. We've now rinsed Danny's hair, taken all the lightener off, and we've come up to quite a goldy blonde, which is light enough for what we're going to do. And we're going to be using 3 different colours. We have a light mahogany brown, a copper blonde, and a red. And we're going to do all 3, and we're going to randomly place them through the head. So all I'm going to do, and I have mixed the colours so they are a semi-permanent, so they won't take on the darker hair, so it won't compromise the natural colour of the hair. And I'm just going to take sections like this and pin the hair up. And it doesn't matter what pattern the colours go in, because we want it to look as mixed as possible. And all I'm going to do is put the colour on the ends and just let the colour hang down. So that's our first colour. Make sure you do have a dark towel handy just to wipe your gloves so that you don't get a lot of the colour all mixed on. We'll take our next section and we will go for the red. Just pick it up. Make sure you put quite a lot on because it's got to get right through to the whole of the blonde. We don't want any blonde bits showing when we've rinsed and shampooed. And put it on as quickly as you can because it's got to stay on for a full 30 to 45 minutes. The colour's been washed off and the haircut's been done and blow dried, and we've got a lovely blend of autumnal colours. We've got your coppers, your reds and your mahoganies flowing through like autumn leaves. Looking really, really nice. Nice and shiny and healthy. And at the back we have a different blend of colours running all the way through. A nice shiny healthy hair. And all colours I used were Leighton House Professional Couture Silk. And this is David from David's Hair Design. Thanks for watching.